In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore version on Google Slides. If you've ever made changes to a presentation and wished you could go back to an earlier state, Google Slides makes that easy with version history. I'll walk you through the exact process, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few simple tips so you can restore confidently without losing your work. First, open your presentation in Google Slides. Make sure you're looking at the file you want to roll back, because the changes you make here will affect this specific deck. Next, go to the top menu and click File. From that menu, move to Version History and choose See Version History. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen. Think of this panel as a timeline. It lists saved versions of your presentation, organized by date and time. Depending on your file's activity, you may see many entries or just a few. Click any version in that right-hand panel to preview it. When you select a version, the main slide area updates to show how your presentation looked at that time. Take a moment to scan through the slides in the left sidebar to verify it's the moment you want to return to. Look at the timestamps and any labels you recognize to help you pick the correct point in time. This preview is there so you can be sure before you make any changes. When you're confident you found the right one, go to the top of the screen and click Restore this version. A confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. Click Restore in the pop-up. That's it. The older version now becomes your current slide deck. Here's the important part. Restoring doesn't erase your newer work forever. Google Slides keeps those newer versions in version history. So if you change your mind or need to jump forward again, you can repeat this same process and pick a more recent point. In other words, you're not locked in. You're just choosing which saved moment you want to use as the current state. A couple of quick tips as you restore. Take your time reviewing the preview so you don't accidentally pick the wrong moment. And consider noting the date and time of the version you restore so it's easy to find if you need to switch again later. Also, if you don't see version history, you might not have the necessary permissions on the file, so make sure you're working on a presentation where you can edit. And that's all it takes to restore a previous version in Google Slides with confidence.